In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily set up your out-of-office status in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple way to let coworkers know when you're away, set expectations, and keep communication clear while you're unavailable. First, open Microsoft Teams using either the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your profile controls live, and it's where we'll make the change. Right next to your profile picture, you'll see three dots. That's the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those three dots, then choose Settings from the dropdown. This opens a window with a variety of preferences you can customize to tailor your team's experience. Make sure you're on the General tab. This tab holds the core settings that affect how Teams behaves. Scroll through the options until you find Out of Office. This feature is designed to let others know you're away and, just as importantly, when you'll be back so they can plan their messages and meetings accordingly. Click Out of Office to open the scheduling options. Here you can specify the exact dates and times you'll be unavailable. Setting a clear start and end time helps avoid confusion, especially across different time zones or busy project schedules. Once your dates are set, anyone who reaches out to you will automatically see that you're out, so they can decide whether to wait or contact someone else. Take a moment to review your selections before confirming so your status changes at the right time and returns to normal when you're back. If you don't see the out of office option right away, there's a quick workaround that can help in the moment. Click your profile picture again to open your current status. By default, it usually says available. From the list, choose Be Right Back. This updates your presence so teammates can see you're temporarily away without you having to leave a message in multiple places. Keep in mind that quick status is only a short-term signal. It won't create a scheduled out-of-office period or an automatic notice. When possible, use the full out-of-office scheduling feature so your availability is consistent and your team isn't left guessing. Once you've set everything up, you're all set. Your coworkers will immediately see that you're away, your availability will update automatically, and you'll avoid missed messages or unnecessary follow-ups. Planning your availability in advance is a small step that helps you stay professional and makes teamwork smoother. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, feel free to revisit it anytime for a refresher. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new upload.